The counting so far in Hyderabad. I want to go across to the finest team of reporters on the ground. Ashish Pandey is our bureau chief in Hyderabad. Nagarjun Dwarkanath is live with us as well, and Ankit Tyagi is live from the BJP headquarters. Ashish, to you first, give our viewers a sense of what these initial trends mean. 88 leads for the BJP, 33 for the TRS, the BJP in celebratory mood. But why is it too early? Just look at these trends and start celebrating. Explain that.
So, Rahul, counting started at 8 a.m. Initially, the authorities are counting only a postal ballot. 1,923 postal ballots are now counted, and there BJP has its initial lead. Now, after completion of postal ballot counting, ballot boxes will be open. Now, opening of ballot boxes has started at certain counting center. Total 30 counting centers has been established across GHMC region. There, in these 30 counting centers, 150 booths. They have almost every booth has tables, and there 14,000 votes will be counted in first round, and later on further rounds will take place. So initial rounds, BJP has its lead. It's a postal ballot counting, 1,923 postal ballots. In ballot boxes has started opening now. Authorities have started opening ballot boxes. Segregation of votes has started at certain counting centers. Total 30 counting centers. We expect that 12 noon onward will start having initial trends of ballot boxes counting, Rahul.
Ankit Tyagi is at the BJP headquarters. Ankit, we saw B.L. Santosh, the party general secretary, key man between the RSS and the BJP, put out a congratulatory tweet. What's the mood at the BJP party office in Hyderabad?
Well, at least at this point of time, Rahul, not many supporters, those who are here, they are also in fact waiting. We just heard Bandi Sanjay, the local party unit chief, he also said that we are going to make a big splash, but wait till evening. According to him, the mood is against the TRS, and the pink is going to turn to saffron, is what he's claiming. But the fact, at this point of time is that at this very party headquarters where you see even the posters of Amit Shah, even right now, the last day of the campaigning when the Home Minister was here, and a very, very aggressive campaigning from 21st onwards by the Bharatiya Janata Party. It concluded with the Home Minister, in fact, coming here and doing a massive road show. I was there, and the press conference. Later, the Bharatiya Janata Party is hoping that for them to convert 3 to 30 would be a big victory. The entire fight was to present themselves as an option to the people, to present an alternative narrative and politics that they believe in, at least with the people of Hyderabad. But let's also put things in perspective. As Ashish was telling us, less than 2,000 postal ballots. Remember, 34 lakh voters have exercised their franchise in the Hyderabad municipal elections. So that is a very small fraction that we are talking about, these initial leads. And that is why the local leadership, at least of the Bharatiya Janata Party, though optimistic, is still cautious and waiting these trends as they build up.
Nagarjun Dwarkanath is at the TRS headquarters. 99 wards is what the TRS had won in the last elections. They're currently at 33. We have 139 leads available out of 150 wards. This is not a good start, even though it's a very limited set that's been counted. So far, this, Nagarjun, isn't a good start from the TRS's perspective.
Well, it's not a good start for TRS, but they have not lost hope. In fact, when you spoke to Kavita, she was saying the same, that 2,000 out of the 35 lakh people who have voted is very minimal. We'll have to wait post noon to have a clear picture, but still their internal survey puts them somewhere between 75 to 99 is what we are told. Kavita and KCR still hope that they would recreate what they did in the previous election. There's completely no action at the Telangana Bhavani or the TRS Bhavan. Behind me is just the media contingent waiting for leaders to come here, hoping that the party would take a lead. But at this point of time, what the trend is that TRS is still on a back foot and BJP is on the front foot. So it's unlikely that any leaders would pop out here at the Telangana Bhavan hoping to give interview, but they're closely glued to the TV monitoring what is happening at the counting centers as well, because this is a make or break for them as well, about making a point to BJP that National Party cannot come here and make inroads, because remember, since 2014 seen since the time Telangana was formed. It was all the way TRS till now. This is the first time that they're on a shaky wicket. They're the first time that they're seeing someone in opposition, giving them a challenge and an uphill task. And definitely KCR has not taken it lightly. We saw him campaign as aggressively as BJP, but we'll have to wait and watch. Maybe in a couple of hours, we'll have a clearer picture as to if KCR, who's on a back foot right now, will be batting front foot.
The counting of ballot papers has started.